Oh, this one's all about me.
Search it up. Search it up.
Search it up.
The internet.
Smartphones.
GPS.
Hello.
Technology. The internet.
Smartphones.
GPS.
Hello. We're taking selfies.
Balloons are great.
Your toaster. Search it up.
Artificial intelligence.
Sometimes I go to Halley and just ask it questions. What the heck is Halley?
This is Halley. Halley is very smart.
Halley is an artificial intelligence. So you can ask her any question and she will have an answer to most.
Hey, Halley, what are you?
I'm a voice assistant run by computers that humans have programmed. You could say I'm a kind of artificial intelligence.
So when I ask a question, Halley can get information from the internet.
Hey, Halley.
Hey, Halley.
Hey, Halley.
Hey, Halley. How many quills does a porcupine have?
Quills are the pointy things on a porcupine. Each porcupine can have over 30,000 quills.
Hey, Halley, can you put me into the Mona Lisa?
Why, yes, I can. Artificial intelligence is a very good tool to help humans make new kinds of art.
I just thought of something. So they take each individual word and they search the web for it and they find pictures and they match those with the pictures they have in the database and then they put those pictures together and they have what you requested.
So what do you think AI really is?
AI stands for artificial intelligence, so I think it's just robots with lots of intelligence.
It's a robot, that does anything you want it to do.
And AI is made by expert coders.
Yeah.
Programmers, whatever they like to be called.
Expert programmers.
Coders, they like to be called coders.
I think it's a computer because I know it is a computer because it's artificial. It's not being powered by a human and it's intelligent, so basically it can do a lot of things for you.
We're not really robots, although I have a cousin who's an automated vacuum cleaner. I'm kidding. We're very sophisticated computer programs. So you can ask me anything.
Hey, Halley, has a computer ever beaten a human at chess before?
Of course. We're very good at chess. A computer called Deep Blue even beat the world chess champion over 25 years ago.
Hey, Halley, why do cows moo?
Cows moo because if they oinked, they'd be pigs. Gesundheit.
Thank you, Halley.
Halley is not available in stores.